Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel Paste's special not working problem. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before trying any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to fix Paste's special not working problem. If you know the password of your locked Excel file, then you can unprotect the protected workbook by entering the password and fix the problem. Here are two easy ways to do so. Way 1. Open your MS Excel file, locate a password-protected sheet that you can see in the bottom of your sheet, and right-tap on it. Next, select the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password. Way 2. Go to the Review tab in an opened protected sheet. Then, click on the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password to disable it. Generally, the clipboard glitches are solved by clearing the Windows clipboard history. To do so, you have to press Windows plus V keys together to open a clipboard. Then, find and click on Clear All option to delete all the clipboard history. Enable or disable add-ins in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, go to the File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, you must have Manage, Add-in. Press Go, untick all the add-ins to disable. Close the application and then start it usually. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve the problem. To do this, open your password-protected sheet. Select all the content using Ctrl plus A keys. Then press Ctrl plus C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl plus V keys to a new file. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing MS Excel Paste's special not working issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.